Your commute and weekend rides are about to get a serious upgrade. In this video, we're showcasing the top 20 latest e-bikes on Amazon that combine cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and enhanced performance. From unique, futuristic features to smart upgrades that make every ride smoother and more efficient, these picks deliver real value. Stay till the end to discover e-bikes that transform how you ride, explore, and enjoy every journey. Number 1. INVANTI 20-inch Fat Tire E-Bike. Conquer any terrain with the INVANTI 20-inch Fat Tire E-Bike. Its robust fat tires provide unmatched stability on sand, snow, or rough trails, while a powerful motor ensures smooth, exhilarating rides. Sturdy frame and long-lasting battery let you explore further with confidence. Sleek design combines performance and style effortlessly, and making it perfect for adventure lovers or daily commuters. Enjoy the thrill of speed, comfort, and versatility all in one smart e-bike. Click the links in the description. Number 2. isinwheel M40 Folding Ebike. Transform your commute with the isinwheel M40 Folding Ebike. Its compact foldable frame makes storage effortless, while the powerful motor ensures smooth acceleration on city streets or trails. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, or urban adventures. Adjustable settings provide comfortable rides for all users, and a long-lasting battery lets you travel farther without worry. Stylish, practical, and portable, it's the ultimate solution for anyone seeking convenience and thrill in one. Click the links in the description. Number 3. Heybike Mars 3.0 E-Bike. Experience unmatched speed and versatility with the Heybike Mars 3.0 E-Bike. Powerful motor and fat tires handle rough terrain while delivering smooth, stable rides. Durable frame ensures safety, and long-range battery supports extended journeys effortlessly. Sleek design fits urban streets or mountain paths, making it perfect for commuting, adventure, or weekend explorations. Comfortable, efficient, and stylish, this e-bike combines performance and practicality, letting you ride with confidence and excitement every time. Click the links in the description. Number 4. EUYBIKE 1000 watts Folding Fat Tire E-Bike. Take control of any terrain with the EUYBIKE 1000 watts Folding Fat Tire E-Bike. Powerful motor and wide tires provide stability on sand, snow, or trails, while foldable design saves space. Lightweight frame makes storage and transport easy, perfect for city commuters or outdoor adventurers. Long-lasting battery ensures extended rides without stress, while modern design blends style with functionality. Effortless performance, convenience, and durability make it a smart buy for thrill seekers and daily riders alike. Click the links in the description. Number 5. ESKUTE 20-inch Fat Tire E-Bike. Dominate trails and streets with the ESKUTE 20-inch Fat Tire E-Bike. Its robust tires deliver stability on all surfaces, from rocky paths to sandy beaches. Powerful motor ensures smooth, responsive acceleration, and long-lasting battery supports longer rides. Sturdy frame guarantees safety and durability, while modern design looks sharp and stylish. Perfect for adventurers, commuters, or anyone seeking thrilling rides with comfort, convenience, and reliability. A smart, practical, and exciting addition to your daily life. Click the links in the description. Number 6. PUCKIPUPPY 960 watts 26-inch Fat Tire Bike. Unleash adventure with the PUCKIPUPPY 960 watts 26-inch Fat Tire Bike. Oversized tires provide unmatched stability on snow, sand, or rocky trails. Powerful 960-watt motor ensures strong, smooth rides, while durable frame and responsive brakes guarantee safety. Long-range battery supports extended journeys, making it ideal for commuting or weekend escapes. Sleek, modern design adds style without compromising function. This Fat Tire E-Bike combines thrill, comfort, and practicality for all riders. Click the links in the description. Number 7. Heybike Ranger S Fatibike. Conquer hills and trails with the Heybike Ranger S Fatibike. Its fat tires and powerful motor deliver stable, effortless rides over challenging terrain. Lightweight yet strong frame ensures durability and portability, while a long-lasting battery supports extended adventures. Adjustable settings make it comfortable for all riders, and modern design enhances any commute or outdoor exploration. Efficient, reliable, and stylish, this e-bike offers the ultimate combination of performance, versatility, and fun. Click the links in the description. Number 8. Heybike Cityscape 2.0 1000 watts. Commuter upgrade your daily commute with the Heybike Cityscape 2.0 1000 watts commuter e-bike. Powerful motor and ergonomic design make city riding effortless and smooth, while fat tires provide excellent stability. Lightweight, foldable frame ensures easy storage and portability. Long-lasting battery keeps you going further without stress, and modern style complements any urban environment. Comfortable, practical, and reliable, this commuter e-bike transforms daily travel into an enjoyable, efficient, and exciting experience. Click the links in the description. Number 9. WEIZE 29-inch mountain bike experience. Off-road excitement with the WEIZE 29-inch mountain bike. Rugged tires and powerful motor conquer trails, mud, and rocks with stability and ease. Sturdy frame ensures durability, while responsive brakes provide maximum control. Long-range battery allows for extended outdoor adventures, perfect for thrill seekers and weekend riders. Sleek design combines style and practicality, making it ideal for both commuting and off-road fun. Efficient, reliable, and exhilarating, this mountain e-bike takes your riding to the next level. Click the links in the description. Number 10. JOYSTAR Kids Cruiser Bike. Introduce young riders to adventure with the JOYSTAR Kids Cruiser Bike. Lightweight frame and comfortable design provide safe, stable rides for children, while fat tires handle sidewalks, trails, and parks with ease. Durable construction ensures long-lasting fun, and bright, stylish design excites young riders. Perfect for outdoor exercise, family outings, or beginner cyclists, this e-bike combines safety, fun, and practicality in one smart package. A must-have for active kids and parents alike. Click the links in the description. Number 11. MOONCOOL 7-Speed Cruiser Bike. Enjoy effortless rides with the MOONCOOL 7-Speed Cruiser Bike. Smooth gear transitions make uphill climbs easy, while fat tires provide stability on sidewalks and trails. Sturdy frame and durable construction ensure long-lasting fun, while ergonomic seat and handlebars offer maximum comfort for long rides. Stylish design and vibrant colors excite riders of all ages. Perfect for cruising around neighborhoods, parks, or beach paths, this e-bike combines practicality, fun, and reliability in one smart package. Click the links in the description. Number 12. RoyalBaby Freestyle Kids Bike. Boost your child's confidence and adventure with the RoyalBaby Freestyle Kids Bike. Lightweight frame, stable wheels, and safety features make learning to ride easier and safer. Adjustable seat and handlebars grow with your child, ensuring comfort and proper posture. Durable, high-quality construction withstands active play, while colorful, fun design excites young riders. Perfect for family outings, park rides, or backyard fun, this e-bike combines safety, durability, and enjoyment for kids and parents alike. Click the links in the description. Number 13. WEIZE Dual-Suspension MTB. Conquer rough terrain with the WEIZE Dual-Suspension MTB. Front and rear suspension absorb shocks, providing smooth, stable rides on trails, rocks, and uneven surfaces. Powerful motor ensures effortless climbs, while long-lasting battery supports extended adventures. Sturdy frame and reliable brakes offer safety and control on any terrain. Imperfect for mountain biking enthusiasts or outdoor adventurers, this dual-suspension e-bike delivers comfort, performance, and style for every ride. Click the links in the description. Number 14. ECOCOGY 5,000-watt fat tire e-bike. Unleash raw power with the ECOCOGY 5,000-watt fat tire e-bike. Massive motor and oversized tires dominate sand, snow, and rugged trails effortlessly. Long-range battery supports epic adventures, while a strong, durable frame ensures safety and stability. Sleek design combines performance with head-turning style, making it perfect for thrill seekers and off-road explorers. With unmatched power, comfort, and control, this e-bike delivers an unforgettable riding experience for those who crave adrenaline and versatility. Click the links in the description. Number 15. isinwheel M10 Pro Electric Bike. Feel the road come alive the moment you twist the throttle on the isinwheel. M10 Pro Electric Bike, a sleek commuter built for speed, comfort, and everyday freedom. Its powerful motor delivers smooth acceleration, while pedal assist modes help you ride farther without draining energy. The removable battery makes charging effortless, especially for apartment living, and responsive disc brakes boost rider confidence. Whether commuting, cruising city streets, or exploring weekend paths, this e-bike blends affordability, performance, and practicality into one seriously smart upgrade for modern riders. Number 16. TST 1500 watts Fat Tire Electric Bike. Take your adventures to the next level with the TST 1500 watts Fat Tire Electric Bike. Wide tires provide stability on snow, sand, or rocky terrain, while a powerful motor ensures smooth acceleration. Sturdy frame and responsive brakes guarantee safety, and a long-lasting battery supports extended journeys. Sleek design combines function with modern style. Perfect for thrill seekers, commuters, or weekend explorers, this Fat Tire e-bike delivers comfort, power, and versatility in every ride. Click the links in the description. Twat. Number 17. TST 1500 watts Built-in battery fat bike ride. Farther with confidence on the TST 1500 watts built-in battery fat bike. Built-in battery design ensures sleek look while supporting extended trips. Fat tires deliver unmatched stability across rugged trails, sand, or snow. Powerful motor provides smooth, responsive acceleration, and durable frame guarantees safety. Perfect for adventurous riders or urban commuters, this e-bike combines high performance, comfort, and style effortlessly. Experience thrilling rides without compromising reliability or convenience. Click the links in the description. Number 18. BIGNIU X 1500 watts Dual e-bike. Double the fun with the BIGNIU X 1500 watts Dual e-bike. Dual motors provide unmatched power, conquering hills, trails, and rough terrain effortlessly. Fat tires ensure stability and smooth handling, while a strong frame and reliable brakes guarantee safety. Long-lasting battery supports extended adventures, and ergonomic design ensures comfort for both riders. Stylish, high performance, and versatile, this dual e-bike is perfect for thrill seekers, explorers, or anyone looking to upgrade their riding experience. Click the links in the description. Number 19. Hiboy EX6F Foldable e-bike. Simplifies storage and commuting with the Hiboy EX6F Foldable e-bike. Compact, foldable frame fits apartments, cars, or offices effortlessly. Powerful motor and durable tires deliver smooth rides on city streets or light trails. Ergonomic design ensures comfortable rides, while long-lasting battery supports extended trips. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for commuters, students, or urban explorers seeking convenience and performance. Stylish, practical, and portable, this e-bike transforms your daily travel into a thrilling adventure. Click the links in the description. Number 20. Jasion Thunder Electric Bike. Feel the thrill with the Jasion Thunder Electric Bike. Powerful motor and fat tires dominate sand, snow, or trails effortlessly, while ergonomic design ensures comfort on long rides. Sturdy frame provides safety and durability, and long-lasting battery supports extended adventures. Sleek, modern design turns heads while delivering top-notch performance for commuters, thrill seekers, or weekend explorers. Reliable, versatile, and stylish, this e-bike is the ultimate combination of speed, comfort, and fun for every rider. Click the links in the description. Rev up your rides with these top e-bikes. Power, style, and adventure are just a click away. Grab yours today and transform every journey into an exciting, effortless, and thrilling experience.